Welcome to walkthrough of June 24 IGCSE Paper 2 question 22. I'm hoping by now that you've had a go at the question. You've looked at the mark scheme and you're just not sure where you've got your marks, where you're not doing it, and you just want to see someone walk through it. After I've gone through it, I would ask you to, we will do a work through together of a similar question, and then I'll ask you to go away, go to my website, find the two similar questions and do that. The best thing, of course, having mastered this question is to practice it a couple of days later. Can I remind you to be subscribing if you want more? And on the website, any feedback would be useful. Thank you. Right, so let's look at the question. So it's a simultaneous equation question, believe it or not. It's talking about a point of intersection, and there's 2 points because one is a curve. So you've got a curve. Sorry, it's a circle. And you've got a line that goes through it. Doesn't matter, but there's just 2 points. There's 2 points, and it tells you 2 points. So we need to do something about that. Right? And it says find the coordinates where they intersect. So first of all, you know y equals x5 minus x. I'm going to substitute that in for y. I've got y squared, so I'm going to work out my y squared first. Minus 10x plus x squared. Now I'm going to substitute that in. So it's 2x squared plus 3 lots of x squared minus 10x plus 25. And that equals 210. Expand my brackets, simplify. Give me 5x squared minus 30x plus 75 equals 210. Take the 210, so it equals 0. So 5x squared Well, I've made a mistake, but I haven't. Minus 30x minus 135 equals 0. I can see immediately, I'm just going to make this bigger so you can follow all my working. That 5 goes into each, so that's x squared minus 6x minus 27 equals 0. Right, that will factorise to being x, x, x. One will be negative, one will be positive because the signs are different. So it'll be x minus 9 plus 3 equals 0. So I know when x equals 9, that will be x equals 9 to make that 0. Split into when x equals minus 3. Using y equals 5 minus x, y equals 5 minus 9, which gives me minus 4. So I have one coordinate at 9 minus 4. And the other coordinate at y equals 5 minus 3. So y equals 8. So the other coordinate will be at minus 3, 8. Sorry, not. Yeah, minus 3, 8. Coming over, back to the we do question now. Right, so there is the we do question. Have a look at it. What was the first thing that I did? Yes, the first thing that I did was to work out what y would equal. Made y the subject in the top one. So y equals 6 minus x. And then what did I work out? Correct. Y squared What did I do with that? Correct, I substituted it back in. What did I do next? You do it. Made a little mistake there because I was thinking of the previous question that had a 3 in it. What can you do now? What does that happen to that? What can you do? Why don't you do it? How do you find out the y coordinates? What did we say y equaled? So when x equals 10, y equals, using yours, your x equals -2. Work out what your y is. Write your coordinate pairs down. Having written down your coordinate pairs, you've answered that. Now go back to the website, have a look at the questions, and do those for practice, and then remember to practice them again. And any feedback for any other questions you want me to do, please get in touch. Thank you.